Ever wondered how YouTube decides which videos to recommend to you? Picture this: a vast universe of videos, a cornucopia of content, and in the midst of it all, YouTube's algorithm, a silent sentinel, guiding you through. This algorithm, a complex and sophisticated system, is the unseen hand that shapes your YouTube experience. It's like your own personal curator, sifting through the vast array of videos, highlighting the ones it predicts you'll enjoy the most. It's the reason why that perfect cat video appears right after a long day, or how you discovered that new indie band you can't stop listening to. It's the reason you keep coming back for more. But what makes this algorithm tick? What's the secret recipe that helps it decide which videos to serve up on your homepage or in the Up Next panel? It's a fascinating blend of science, technology, and a dash of magic. So, how does this complex system work? Stay tuned to find out. You see, the YouTube algorithm isn't a psychic. It relies on various signals to suggest relevant content. Now, you might be wondering, what are these signals exactly? Well, let's dive right into it. First and foremost, there's your watch history. Yes, every video you've ever clicked on and watched is part of a vast digital tapestry that YouTube weaves to understand your preferences. It's like an art collector, curating pieces based on what you've shown interest in before. Then we have your search history. What you've been looking up, the terms you've typed into that search bar, all play a crucial role in determining what content might catch your eye next. Picture it as a librarian who knows your favorite genres and authors, always ready with a recommendation. Channel subscriptions, likes, and dislikes are other significant signals. By subscribing to a channel, you're telling YouTube, "Hey, I like this content, show me more of it." Your likes and dislikes are your personal thumbs up or thumbs down to the algorithm. User feedback also plays a considerable part. It's your direct line of communication with the algorithm, your chance to say, "I loved this," or "not a fan of that." It's like having a personal assistant who's always eager to learn more about your preferences and cater to them. Now, different features of YouTube rely on different signals. The main signal for suggesting the next video. That's the video you're currently watching. Think of it as a stepping stone, leading you from one piece of content to another in a never-ending stream of videos tailored to your taste. But that's not all. There's more to this digital wizardry. Did you know that YouTube also recommends authoritative videos on certain topics? For areas like news and science, the algorithm gives priority to authoritative sources. This means that when you search for a news event or scientific concept, the results are likely to be from established news outlets and respected scientific institutions. YouTube has taken this approach to ensure accuracy and reliability in these critical areas. However, this practice is not without its implications. It could lead to potential bias in the algorithm. For instance, if certain sources are deemed authoritative, their content may be prioritized over others, potentially limiting the diversity of the content that users see. This can inadvertently create an echo chamber, where users are only exposed to viewpoints that align with those of the chosen authorities. In a nutshell, while the intentions behind prioritizing authoritative content are to promote accuracy and reliability, it's crucial to understand the potential for bias. So we've seen how YouTube decides what to show us, but what control do we as users have over this? Fear not, for YouTube users have control over their data. This statement, my friends, is not just a comforting phrase, but a reality. Let's dive into how users can influence their recommendations by pausing, editing, or even deleting their watch and search history. Imagine you're in a bookstore. You pick up a book, flip through a few pages, and put it back on the shelf. The bookstore owner sees this, and the next time you enter the store, he recommends a similar book. This is exactly how YouTube works. It's a virtual bookstore, and you are the customer. The books are the videos, and the bookstore owner is the YouTube algorithm. Now, what if you decide you no longer want to read mystery novels but prefer biographies instead? You have the power to change that in your YouTube bookstore. You can pause your watch and search history, which tells YouTube to stop using your past video views and searches to recommend videos. This is like telling the bookstore owner, "Hey, I'm into biographies now, not mystery novels." But what if you've watched or searched for videos you'd rather forget? Good news. You can edit or delete your watch and search history. It's like removing those mystery novels from your reading list at the bookstore. And voila, YouTube adjusts its recommendations accordingly. But wait, there's more. You can also provide feedback to improve recommendations. If a video pops up that you're not interested in, you can tell YouTube, "I'm not interested in this." This feedback helps fine-tune the recommendation system, making it more relevant to you. And finally, you can choose specific topics for filtering recommendations. Say you're a fan of cooking and want to see more cooking videos, you can select cooking as your preferred topic. It's like telling the bookstore owner, I'm looking for cookbooks today. So while the YouTube algorithm may seem like a mystery, it's actually a tool that we can understand and influence. So there you have it, the YouTube algorithm demystified. We've journeyed through the complex web of signals that YouTube uses to connect you with videos you'll love. From your watch history to your likes and dislikes, every click shapes your YouTube experience. We've also explored how YouTube's recommendation system gives weight to authoritative content, ensuring that you're not just entertained but also informed on topics like news and science. Then we delved into how you, as a user, have the reins over your data. You can pause, edit, or delete your watch and search history. You can provide feedback to improve recommendations, and even choose specific topics for filtering recommendations. You can turn off and clear your watch history to disable recommendations on the home page. The YouTube algorithm is a dynamic, evolving entity that's constantly learning from your interactions. It's designed to serve you, to enhance your viewing experience, and to connect you with the content that resonates with you. Remember, the YouTube algorithm is here to serve you, so make the most of it.